Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change colors in order to create this wavy effect for my gourd bunny. This video is only going to be showing you how to make the color change. So if you'd like the bunny pattern, links to the free pattern and the full video tutorial will be in the description below. I'll also have a link for the free pattern to make this gourd bunny. For this tutorial, I'll be using worsted weight yarn in orange and green and a size E 3.5mm crochet hook. Remember that you can use any weight yarn and hook size that you'd like. I've started on the top part of my bunny and now I'm going to start changing colors. When you reach the last stitch of round 8, you'll need to change from orange to green since round 9 starts off with green yarn. So I'm going to make my last stitch in orange, and instead of completing this stitch, I'm going to bring in my green yarn and place it over my hook like so. Then I'm going to pull this green loop through these two orange loops. And that is going to complete the stitch. I'm just going to tug on my orange yarn just to secure that stitch. Round 9 reads single crochet 2 in green, single crochet 2 in orange, repeating this sequence around until you reach the end. Start by making 1 single crochet in green. Then in the next stitch, I'm going to insert my hook and yarn over, and instead of completing this stitch with another yarn over, I'm going to drop the green yarn, pick up the orange yarn, yarn over, and pull through those two green loops. And that completes the single crochet. Now I'm going to single crochet 1 in orange, single crochet another one in orange, but before I complete the stitch, I'm going to drop this orange yarn, pick up my green yarn, yarn over, and pull through those two orange loops. And that's going to complete the stitch. Now I'm going to continue around making 2 single crochets in green, 2 single crochets in orange until I reach the end. And after each color change, just pull on the color that was being used originally to tighten down that stitch. When making these color changes, you only want to drop and pick up the yarn when you have to make the change. This means we won't be carrying the yarn under our work and crocheting over it. And as you can see here, my color changes, they just carry over and create this little line. Make sure when making the color changes that you don't pull the yarn too tight, as it'll make your work pucker. Leaving a loose tension makes the stitches lay flat and is what we are trying to achieve. Now you should have ended this round with green. Go ahead and fasten off the orange yarn since we won't be needing that anymore. For the next round, I'm going to single crochet around using only green. And as I crochet, you can actually see the wavy part start to take form. And that's how you change colors to create this fun wavy shape. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!